Good morning. Welcome to Backyard Birds Weekly. Apologize for the camera fogging up. I believe that's a not a warbler, a Carolina Wren. I'll verify that later. It's again Saturday morning. As you can tell, see, this is my problem when I come out Saturdays, is the moisture. Yeah, I'm going to leave it for posterity and also for an explanation. We just had, some of the remnants of Hurricane Laura come through, and so it rained all night. Yeah, it's very wet and humid right now. And it's very ironic because this tree, which you can't see, but there's a tree right here, is filled with birds that are just sitting still for me to take pictures. I'm currently looking at a robin, at that wren. There's a thrasher jumping around in there, and a bunch of house finches. But yeah, I'll wake up a lot of times now and it's this humid. I already wiped the camera down a couple times and this is what you get. Good video, I know. So this is going to be a short video this week. I didn't get a lot of birds just because of my personal schedule and the weather. Again, it's Saturday, so maybe I'll get some more, but it's supposed to rain all day today. So we'll just keep it short. This is going to happen sometimes. Life isn't perfect. And sometimes you're just going to have, days like this. So if I get some more footage or something, I will show it. Otherwise, I hope you guys have a great day, and let's take a look at those birds.